Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is C. Chamba Jacob, and I guess all of you are doing fine wherever you're watching the video from. I've got a question, or should I say I've got three questions with me right over here. You can see the questions. We've got question one, question two, and question three. So how do we get to simplify, solve, and factorize? One more thing that you must keep in your mind is that whenever you see these three terminologies, simplify, solve, factorize, just know that we're dealing with the algebra. Okay, so let's start with the first question where they're saying simplify. So to simplify the first question here, we've got 4 open bracket 3x minus a 2 plus a 6. So to simplify a question like this one, we just have to make it simple. We apply order of operation, get rid of the brackets, and group the like terms, add or subtract. So this is how it will go. We shall have, of course, 12x minus 8 plus a 6. So if you're following nicely, you discover that I've just gotten the number which is in front multiplied by what is inside. So 4 by 3x, it will give us a 12x. 4 by negative 2, it will give us negative 8. And there is a 6 here, which is not affected. So this is what you need to know. Okay. So here, if you check nicely, the terms are already grouped. So there is no need of us grouping the like terms. We just now add or subtract where possible. So here it would be a negative 2, just like that, 12x minus 2. Because negative 8 plus 6 will give us a negative 2. This is what you need to know. We now go to the next question where we need to solve. So under solving, of course, you can see the way the terms are. We've got 2x power 2 minus 4x is equal to 0. Now solving this, it will call for what we call factorization. You know, factorization, it's not just at this point. Even sometimes when solving, you can use what we call factorization. At this point, would have used difference of two squares, okay? But look at this. There is a variable which is common here, and also a number which is common. Therefore, we can use factorization. We can solve by factorization. And we have to know that this is a quadratic equation because of the power 2. The highest degree is a power 2. So we shall write a 2x, open bracket, 2x into 2x power 2. It will just be x, and then 2x into negative 4x. This will give us a 2, which is equal to 0. So if you are that person who is facing difficulties or to understand what I've just done here, just know that there is a 2 here. 2 into 2, it's 1. And then x into x squared. There are two x's here. So one x is out. We remain with one x. 2 into negative 4, it's negative 2. X into x, it's a 1. So we just remain with a negative 2. So from this stage, we can now equate. We say 2x is equal to a 0, or x minus 2 is also equal to 0. Remember, quadratic equations, they give us two solutions. So you divide by 2, divide by 2. This and this will go. We shall remain with x, which is equal to a 0, because 2 into a 0 will just give us a 0. And then here, x will be equal to a 2. We add 2 to both sides. So these are the two solutions of question 2. For question 3, they want us to factorize, of course. So factorizing, when you see that you're dealing with 4 terms, let me show you what I'm talking about. You factorize by grouping. So look at what we have for question 3. We've got 2ax plus a 4ay minus 3bx minus 6by. So here, without wasting our time, we are going to factorize by grouping. And what it means when you say factorize by grouping, it means when you've got these two terms, you group them. If they've got common elements, even here, you group them because they've got common elements. So we shall say, what is it that is common here? It's a 2. So you write that 2 outside the brackets. What else? A. A is right here and here. So you shall say 2a into 2ax. It's x. 2a into 4ay. That would be a 2y. And then we come to these terms. It's a 3 a negative b, which is common. We shall remain with with, of course, actually it's a 3. Here it's a 3b, which is common. So we shall remain with x here plus a 2y here. You can see when we factorize, we factor out what is common. Negative 3b into negative 3bx. We shall remain with x. Negative and negative give us positive. 3 into 6, it's a 2. B into b, we shall just remain with the y there. Okay, so that's how it goes. And please, you have to know that what is here and here must be the same. Okay, you can see we have similar terms. So now here we can say 2a minus 3b, okay? 3b inside the brackets. So if you're following nicely, you'll see that I've gotten what is in front of the brackets, put them together, and then here, these are common, just get one of them, put it like that, and this is what we have. This is our answer. Thank you so much for the support that you're giving out. Please remember to share this video, subscribe if you have not done so, and if you're watching this video, you're not watching this video for the first time, you've subscribed already, I say thank you so much for that support you're giving me. Like and leave a comment. Bye bye.